Welcome back to Techmirror. Today we have a deep review of the VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker. This is a large ice machine made for bars, restaurants, coffee shops, or even home use if you want a lot of ice. In this video, I will go through every feature, talk about real performance, share what users say, and tell you if this ice maker is worth your money. Stick around until the end for my final thoughts. The VEVOR Ice Maker is designed for serious ice production. It makes up to 330 pounds of ice in just 24 hours. That is a lot of ice. Every cycle produces 126 cubes in about 12 to 15 minutes. You do not have to wait long. If you run a busy bar or cafe, this speed can be a lifesaver. It also has a large storage bin that holds up to 88 pounds of ice. That means you will always have enough ice ready during rush hours or events. Let's talk more about production. The machine works best in normal room conditions. The test shows great results at 70 degrees room temperature and 50 degrees water temperature. Even if the environment is warmer, it can still handle the work. It can run in conditions as low as 41 degrees and as high as 100.4 degrees. This wide range makes it dependable in many places. For example, if you place it in a hot kitchen or a cool bar, it will still make ice without trouble. One feature that stands out is the electric drainage pump. Most ice makers need to be placed carefully to drain water well. This one is smarter. It does not matter if the ground level is uneven. The pump clears water fast and keeps the bin dry. This helps the ice last longer without melting. The pump is also built inside the machine. That saves space around the unit and reduces extra noise. So, you get a cleaner, quieter setup. Another strong point is insulation. The ice maker uses thick cyclopentane material for insulation. The outside shell is stainless steel. Together, they keep heat away from the ice inside. Even if you stop making new ice, the cubes inside can last 6 to 8 hours. That is a huge benefit. Imagine finishing a busy night shift and still having ice ready the next morning. You do not have to worry about everything melting too fast. That is what good insulation does for you. Cleaning an ice maker can be boring and hard, but VEVOR makes it simple. It comes with a one-touch self-cleaning function. Press the button and the machine does the work. It also includes a water filter on the inlet pipe. This filter cleans the water before it turns into ice. That means no dirt, no particles, and no bad taste. You get clean and safe ice every time. For businesses, this is important because customers always notice quality. For homes, it means safe ice for family and friends. The control panel is easy to understand. It has an LED digital screen and simple mechanical buttons. You can adjust the thickness of your ice by changing the cycle time. If you want thinner cubes, set a shorter time. If you want thicker cubes, set a longer time. The screen also makes it clear to see settings at a glance. And just like the cleaning system, there is a one-touch button for cleaning. That means you spend less time managing the machine and more time using it. The build quality is another highlight. The machine is covered in stainless steel. Stainless steel is strong, resistant to rust, and easy to clean. The inside also feels solid, built to handle heavy use every day. This is why the machine works well in commercial spaces, but it is compact enough that you can fit it at home if you want. The mix of durability and compact design is one reason many buyers pick this model. Now let's talk about real performance. In daily use, the ice maker is fast and consistent. It makes the same shape and size cubes every cycle. The cubes come out hard and clear, not soft or cloudy. The storage bin is big enough that you do not run out quickly. In a bar, it keeps up with customers ordering drinks non-stop. In a restaurant, it is enough for both drinks and food prep. At home, you might never run out, even with a big party. One user review says this machine is a wonderful piece of equipment for the money. They have used it for about 5 months and had no problems. They said it was easy to install and very simple to operate. That kind of feedback shows the machine is beginner-friendly. You do not have to be an expert to set it up and use it. Plug it in, connect the water, and it starts working. Another user said the ice maker has been great with no issues at all. In fact, they liked it so much they plan to buy one for their house as well. When people are ready to buy the same product again, that means they are happy with it. That is a good sign for long-term reliability. Let's break down the main pros. First, very high ice production of up to 330 pounds a day. Second, big storage capacity of 88 pounds. Third, strong insulation that keeps ice cold for 6 to 8 hours. Fourth, an easy self-cleaning system with a water filter. Fifth, simple LED controls that let you adjust ice thickness. Sixth, solid stainless steel build that is durable. And last, good user reviews for both performance and ease of use. There are a few cons. The machine is large and heavy, so it needs space. If you only need ice for a small family, it may be too much. Also, while the noise is not bad, it is still a machine, so you will hear it running. For most businesses, this is fine, but for quiet homes, you should keep it in a utility area. Lastly, it requires a water line for continuous use. If you do not have that set up, you need to prepare first. This ice maker is best for small and medium businesses. Bars, cafes, and restaurants will find it very useful. It can also work for hotels and event spaces. At home, it makes sense if you host a lot of people or want to prepare for big family gatherings. If you only need a little ice, this is too big. But if you need a lot of ice every day, this machine is a smart choice. The VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker is strong, fast, and easy to use. It makes a huge amount of ice and keeps it frozen longer. It is simple to clean, simple to control, and built to last. For the price, it gives you professional-level performance without breaking your budget. If you need a steady supply of ice, this machine delivers. That was our full review of the VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker. I hope this helped you decide if it is the right fit for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Techmirror for more reviews. Leave a comment below if you have questions or if you already own this ice maker. I would love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.